celebration for the season that we're in right now, obviously, the festive season. But also we have the fourth graders who are going to be our special MCs today, who are doing at the moment a unit on beliefs and values. And so we think it's very pertinent, and I think they're going to be very proud to present to you and to show you all the different things that students have come up with that they want to show you about their celebrations. So welcome.
Welcome to this assembly. We're grade 4, and we're the MCs of this assembly.
We are the MCs today because our unit of inquiry is beliefs and values.
This assembly is about students sharing their holidays and their tradition, where they come from. Now let's give a big clap to Zoe that is going to tell you about Christmas and her family, and to Karia and Ophelia that are going to sing a Christmas song.
Hello everybody. Christmas is a Christian celebration for the birth of Jesus Christ, and we believe it happened like this. Long ago, the angel Gabriel said to Mary that she will be pregnant of God's baby. The husband of Mary was called Joseph. They prepared themselves to have Jesus. They were living in a part of the Roman Empire. The Emperor Augustus wanted everyone to have paid their taxes. So everyone needed to be with where the family originally came from. So Joseph and Mary needed to do 70 miles from Nazareth to Bethlehem to go where the family of Joseph came from on the 24th of December. They traveled very slowly because Mary was pregnant. When they arrived to Bethlehem, they couldn't find a place to sleep. The only place they found was a stable with animals. Then, this night, Jesus was born in this poor place. His bed was a manger that the animal ate from. Outside of Bethlehem, an angel appeared to some shepherds saying, "The Savior, Jesus, was born." A new star also appeared in the sky. Some wise men saw it and followed it because they knew what it meant. They brought some gift with them. That's why we brought gift.
Now we're going to sing the first Noel. This is a Christmas carol which is sung at Christmas. The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherd in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. I'm going to tell you about the symbol of the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree comes from Germany. The tree also points towards the heaven. Christmas is the day Christians celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. The star on top of the tree means that it is the Star of Bethlehem. Second picture. That's the Christmas table. Every year we decorate it, and I decorate it. I help my mom. Third picture. This is me and my cousin. We love dancing and singing. We love dancing and singing. Every year we do a little dance and song. My mom likes listening me dance and watching me dancing and listening me to dance. Thank you.
Now it's Canadian Christmas with Paige, Emily, and Zachary that are now going to sing A Porcupine in a Pine Tree. Then after that, the KGs are going to sing a Christmas song for you.
We are going to sing a Canadian Christmas song called A Porcupine in a Pine Tree. We are going to sing it because we are all Canadians.
On the first day of Christmas, my parents gave to me a porcupine in a pine tree. On the second day of Christmas, my parents gave to me 2 caribou and a porcupine in a pine tree. Kate that are going to do a presentation about Thanksgiving. Hello, we are drinking cake from America to talk to you about Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving started in 1621. Americans are making the annual Thanksgiving Day holiday on the fourth Thursday of November. The holiday is time for giving thanks, often at family gatherings with food that center on turkeys with a bunch of traditional side dishes and desserts. Americans across the U.S. gather with friends and family to watch American football games and volunteer at food banks and other charities. In New York, Snoopy and the rest of the giant balloons fly during the Macy's Thanksgiving parade. This year, people were worried that the balloons wouldn't fly because of the big wind. Thanksgiving morning, the police gave the okay for the balloons to fly, make everyone happy. The Native Americans. Before the settlers came to North America, the area was lived in by Native American tribes, also called Indians. The area surrounding the site of the first Thanksgiving was the home of the tribe for over 12,000 years, but had recently been visited by English settlers. The Native Americans knew the land well and had fished, hunted, and grew food for a long time. The celebration. One day in the fall of 1621, 4 English were hunt to send for food for a celebration. The Native Americans heard gunshots and told the leader, who then thought the English settlers might be preparing for a war. The Native Americans visited the English with 90 of the men to see if the war was true. Soon after the visit, the Native Americans noticed that the English were only hunting for the celebration. And the English and Native men, women, and children ate together. Their meal had deer, corn, saltfish, and roasted meat, very different from today's Thanksgiving feast. How our family celebrates Thanksgiving. We gather with our family and friends around the table and have a big feast. We have turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, cranberries, pumpkin pie, or other kinds of delicious desserts. We love to do sports like American football. We watch the Macy's Thanksgiving Day parade and watch football in the afternoon. Everyone helps out to make all that amazing food. All the stores are closed because of the huge holidays. Now stores are open on Thanksgiving just so people can spend less time with family. But then the day after Thanksgiving is which means that a lot of stores have great deals. Okay? Americans say that Black Friday is the official start of the Christmas season.
Next up is Novelli, Annabelle, and Lucilla, Three Kings Day.
And Zachary and Isla.
Bonjour, nous sommes les Bridgewater.
On chante. On chante.
Julie, Bonjour, nous sommes les Great One. Nous sommes ici pour vous raconter l'histoire de la galette des rois. Hello, we are Great Ones, and we are here to tell you about the Three Kings celebration. Hola, estamos aquí para hablar de los tres reyes. Comme vous pouvez le voir, nous sommes trois reines qui parlent trois langues différentes, comme les trois rois qui apportèrent des cadeaux à l'enfant Jésus. As you can see, we are three queens that speak three different languages, like the three kings who are bringing presents to baby Jesus. And como pueden ver, estamos con los tres reinos. Habíamos recibido más como los tres reyes. Le célèbre par la galette des rois. En Espagne, les enfants reçoivent des cadeaux des rois le 6 janvier. In France, we celebrate it by la galette des rois. In Spain, children receive presents from the kings on January the 6th. Celebramos con el galette des rois. En España recibimos regalos de los tres reyes. Thank you. Anu, Bjorn, and David are going to tell you about Sinterklaas in Germany, Czech Republic, and Holland.
And in Holland we celebrate Sinterklaas. Björn celebrates Sinterklaas as well.
Yeah, and I celebrate Sinterklaas in Czech Republic.
So on this picture right here, this is Sinterklaas.
And those two other guys next to him are called Zwarte Piet.
Sinterklaas, he has a big white horse called Americo. On the 5th of December, Sinterklaas comes to the houses of the little kids with a big bag. And in the bag are presents. Sinterklaas comes from Spain on this big boat, and before the 5th of December, the children put their shoes in front of the chimney with a little note for Sinterklaas and a carrot for the horse, and hopefully the next day their shoe will be filled with paper noten. And if you want, you guys, after we show you a little clip on those tables over there, you can try some. Oh my. So this is paper note with the shoes and the chocolate letters.
Okay, and those Oreos are sweet.
sweets?
Yeah, all the sweets are called.
Strooigoed.
Yes, sorry.
So there you go.
Yeah, that's how cool it is. In Czech Republic, you celebrate Sinterklaas, which in Czech is Mikuláš, a little bit different. In Czech Republic, these three guys, the angel, Mikuláš, and the devil, come to your house, and you need to sing them a song. And after you sing them a song, Mikuláš looks in his big red book and sees your name, and if you behaved well that year or that year. If you behaved well that year, you get a stocking like this, full of presents, or like this. And if you're bad, you would go to this place. It's not the nicest place I've been. If Nicholas doesn't come to your house, you put your stocking on your behind your window, and the next day you'll find presents in it if you're good.
Now it's Nina, Jules, Rachel, and Aya that are going to show you a poster and video about Chinese New Year. I celebrate Chinese New Year by making Chinese food. So, in Chinese New Year, there's a hongbao. This envelope is given during Chinese New Year to children or unmarried couple. It contains a sum of money in an even numbers amount. Only paper money is given because coins are thought to be bringing bad luck.
Okay, so the legend of Chinese New Year. People said it all started one winter night when a beast attacked a village and destroyed the village. And the villagers, the survivors, found the beast's spear, which was red paper and firecrackers. So the next night they put red everywhere around their house and firecrackers and set them off, so the beast never came back.
So Chinese always bring oranges when visiting family and friends and relatives. Orange showed for luck. Then that's all.
Okay, so here you have all the animals, and they had a race, and they were racing through, and then they were doing a competition on who came first in each year. So rat came first, and then the cow, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, sheep, monkey, chicken, dog, and pig. And it depends on what year you were born, and you have one of these, like for example, if you were born in 2002, you would be a horse.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the assembly.
Have a wonderful holiday, whatever you're celebrating.